Welcome to the Namibia Oil and Gas Podcast, your weekly gateway to the latest news and developments shaping Namibia's dynamic oil and gas sector. It's Friday, 14th November 2025, and I am Tanil Knokoses.
And I'm Kobus Taser.
With the latest news, updates, and insights from the Namibia oil and gas industry.
This week's top headlines. Office of the Presidency backs Namibia Energy Connect and reaffirms support for the NYEF.
Yinson production eyes Namibia.
Rhino Resources prolongs Deepsea Mira stay off Namibia.
Monasa Advisory and Associates honored.
ReconAfrica provides drilling update at Kavango West 1X well.
Namibia's oil and gas industry is evolving. Are you ready to lead the way? RD Namibia Energy Consultancy is your trusted partner in natural resources media management, data analytics, and stakeholder engagement. We're building a first-of-its-kind resource hub, shaping the future with cutting-edge digital assets. Whether you're a local enterprise or an international investor, now is the time to connect. Partner with RD and navigate Namibia's energy sector with confidence. Visit www.namibiaoilandgas.com today.
The Office of the Presidency reaffirmed its strong support for the Namibia Youth Energy Forum and the Namibia Energy Connect and Trailblazer Awards 2025 during a keynote address delivered by Honorable Cornelia Shalungu, head of the Upstream Petroleum Unit. The speech underscored the importance of youth empowerment and inclusive participation in shaping Namibia's energy future. The Presidency announced plans to consolidate youth development funds into a single, ring-fenced youth fund to enhance access to education and training opportunities. It also emphasized government priorities in accelerating partnerships, improving regulatory efficiency, and investing in infrastructure to unlock Namibia's hydrocarbon and renewable energy potential. The statement concluded with a call for collaboration, urging stakeholders to power a future that is innovative, sustainable, and proudly Namibian.
Yinson Production, the offshore unit of Malaysia's Yinson Holdings, is expanding into Namibia following an 18 billion Namibian dollars investment from global funds earlier this year. The company plans to open a Windhoek office in January 2026 and begin training local crew as it positions itself for participation in Namibia's emerging oil production phase. CEO Fleming Groenegaard confirmed that Yinson expects Namibia to produce first oil before 2030, which would allow contracts for its FPSO units to be placed by 2027. The company is currently evaluating 20 projects globally and is also considering an IPO within the next 3 to 5 years as part of its capital expansion strategy.
Offshore drilling contractor Northern Ocean and oil firm Rhino Resources have extended the contract for the Deepsea Mira semi-submersible rig operating offshore in Namibia. The revised agreement includes an additional firm well test, extending the rig's stay by 28 days and increasing Northern Ocean's backlog to approximately $394 million. The Deepsea Mira, a 6th-generation rig managed by Otfeld Drilling, is conducting operations in Block 2914A, PEL 85, within the Orange Basin, where Rhino Resources holds a 42.5% operating interest alongside partners Azul Energy, Namcor, and Chorus Investments. The extension follows the company's successful high liquid yield gas condensate discovery made in 2025.
Monasa Advisory and Associates, a leading Namibian strategy and advisory firm, has been awarded the prestigious Energy Research and Development Award at the inaugural Namibia Energy Connect and Trailblazer Awards 2025. The ceremony, hosted under the Namibia Energy Connect initiative, celebrated excellence, innovation, and visionary leadership across the country's energy sector. The award recognizes Monasa's pivotal role in delivering world-class data-driven research and strategic advisory services shaping Namibia's energy landscape. Managing Director Jason Kasuto dedicated the accolade to his team, emphasizing Monasa's mission to transform Africa from within through impactful energy projects that foster industrialization, energy independence, and local empowerment.
ReconAfrica has provided a drilling update on the Kavango West 1X exploration well, confirming the presence of multiple hydrocarbons and strong gas markers within the Otavi reservoir package. The well has been drilled safely to a current depth of 4,158 meters, deeper than the originally planned 3,800 meters, following regulatory approval to extend drilling depth. According to President and CEO Brian Rainsborough, the company is encouraged by the early results and will conduct extensive wireline logging, including fluid sampling and pressure measurements, before year-end. ReconAfrica plans to disclose the full results once the well has been thoroughly evaluated, marking another step forward in exploring Namibia's promising Damara Fold Belt.
Thank you for listening to this week's episode of the Namibia Oil and Gas Podcast. If you would like to contribute with news and information, please contact us at info@namibiaoilandgas.com. For more news, information, resources, and updates of the week, visit www.namibiaoilandgas.com. Join us next time as we continue to explore the top stories driving Namibia's energy future.